ביקורים, פרק רביעי, משנה א'. Fourth chapter, first Mishnah. Let's do the introduction. כבר הקדמנו בפתיחה למסכתנו, we already mentioned in the beginning of the מסכת, שפרק זה מקורו בתוספתא. This פרק, its source is in Tosefta. So the Tosefta means there's a Mishnah that Rabbi Nasi compiled. Then there's the Braita, the Mishnayot that was written in the same time, and we know about it, that he didn't put in the book. And then there's Tosefta. Tosefta, it's like a lot of the Tosefta is a repetition of the Mishnah in a different style. Yeah, so, but he chose, Rabbi Nasi chose.
They added to the Mishnah.
It's in the same time period.
The Braita.
Yeah.
Braita they didn't.
No, it wasn't added to the Mishnah.
The Braita, but this was...
The difference between the Braita and the Tosefta is Braita is Mishnayot that are a lot different than the Mishnah. And the Tosefta are Mishnayot that are the same with exchange a little bit of Zeraim. Braita is something almost different. Okay. So, ולדעת מפרשים רבים, according to many commentaries, אינו כלל מגוף המשנה. It's got nothing to do with the Mishnah. But nevertheless, אלא שבכמה כתבי יד של המשנה, but we find that in many manuscripts of the Mishnah, נספח למסכתנו כפרק רביעי. They added this part to the fourth chapter, as a fourth chapter to ביקורים. ויש לו נוסחאות שונות, and there's many different types of them, written a little bit differently. As it says, משניות תוצאות ראם, נתפסו 4 נוסחאות, there's actually 4 different kinds, נוסחת הגמרא, נוסחת הרשש, נוסחת רבי מנחם אליעזר מפנו, נוסחת הגר"א. בירושלמי אין הפרק הזה. In ירושלמי, it's not even brought, is part, it's like missing completely. ואף לא פירשו מפרשי המשנה. And all the Mefarshim don't even have a commentary on it because it looks like it never even reached them. They didn't even consider it part of the Mishnah. So the Rambam, Rav and Bartenura, about Tosfos Yom Tov didn't even comment. מכל מקום הוספנו כאן את הפרק הזה. Nevertheless, we're going to deal with it. באשר גם נכלל בלוח המשנה היומית ונקדו בו נוסחת הגר"א. We're going to go according to the נוסחת of the גר"א. Okay. So let's start. Androgynous. By the way, the word androgynous is a Greek word. Andro, like Android. Yeah.
System.
Yeah, Android comes from Android. Did you see what's the symbol of Android?
There is some
a little man.
Huh?
It's a little man. Andro is man. Andro is man, and Guinea is woman. So androgynous is man-woman. That's what androgynous. What does it mean, androgynous? It's a person שיש לו סימני זכר ונקבה כאחד. He has both sexual parts. He has the parts of a male and he has the parts of a female. So this androgynous, יש בו דרכים שווה לאנשים. Now the reason why it fits over here, I think why they put it over here, because it's almost like the koi. We're going to say koi isn't something is like behema, something it's like chaya, something it's not like behema, something it's not like chaya, and something it's not like any of them, and something it is like both of them. So the same thing with androgynous. I think that's why they brought him, because it's already on together with the koi. So androgynous, שיש לו סימני זכר ונקבה כאחד, he has both parts. יש בו דרכים שווה לאנשים. In some things is similar to males. דינים ששווה בין אנשים, זכרים, ויש בו דרכים שווה לאנשים. And there are some things we're going to consider him a female. דינים הנוהגים בו כמו בנשים. ויש בו דרכים שווה לאנשים ונשים. There are some things he's equal to both men and women. דינים הנוהגים בין אנשים ונשים. ויש בו דרכים שאינו שווה לא לאנשים ולא לנשים. There are some things he's not going to be not a man and not a woman. Why? Because we have a doubt whether it is a male or a female.